Sending your documents for eSign is now faster and simpler than ever. I would like to walk you through the process. Click on the app launcher and search for Sign Template. On the next screen, select New. Name your template and select the intended data source, then click Next. In the following screen, you will see a 4-step process. In the first step, go to the Documents tab. Attach the document from your Salesforce record and click Next. For step 2, select the recipient. You can choose from the related object of the opportunity or directly from the user or contact section. Then click Add to move on to the next step. Since we have already selected the template and recipient, choose Send Now to skip all controls and send the transaction immediately. Click Next, then choose Save and Finish. The sign template has now been created. The next step involves integrating it with Docs Made Easy. Click on the app launcher again and type in Docs Made Easy. On the following screen, select Launch Wizard. Give your solution a name and optionally provide an object description to help other users. Once done, click on Create. Click Next and select Create New Document Template. Upload your template to get data from your Salesforce org, then click Save and Next. Now, integrate your Sign Made Easy template with Docs Made Easy. To ensure that your eSign works, enter the BGM parameter value as 11 and enter your unique sign template. You can find it on your Sign Made Easy dashboard. You can also add other optional parameters such as redirect to URL, which ensures that you return to the same page post-signing, and skip download, which prevents automated downloading. Once you have entered the parameters you need, click Save and then click Next. On the last step, click Go to Page Layout and choose the opportunity layout. Now select Mobile and Lightning Action, find your solution, and drag and drop it into Salesforce Mobile and Lightning Experience Actions, then click Save. Your solution has been successfully created. To generate and send a document for e-signing, go to the app launcher, search Opportunities, open any account record, and you'll see your custom button at the top right corner of the page. Click on it. Congratulations, your generated document is ready for e-signing. Check your email for the e-sign document, select View Document, and click on I agree for the terms and conditions. Scroll down on the document and click on the signature box to proceed. Choose your signature and click Complete Sign. Your document is now fully signed and completed.